Honor is not only a value that is important to our school, but it is also the cornerstone of every successful person. Being honest in your work allows you to take pride in what you have done. General Mundy Jr. described honor as, quote, the quality that guides one to exemplify the ultimate in ethical and moral behavior, to never lie, cheat, or steal, to abide by an uncompromising code of integrity, to respect human dignity, end quote. Honor is what separates the good from the great. It is being responsible for your actions. It's what keeps you accountable when nobody else is watching. Part of being honorable is being the first to raise your hand and say, I did it, but that was me, when you do something dishonest. It is easy to be honorable for a moment, but it is difficult to live an honorable life. Therefore, I challenge each and every one of you to strive to live a life of honor. I will leave you with a quote by Sophocles, rather fail with honor than succeed by fraud.